Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel 750, MSD Pro Billet. Got your red block, got a set of our heads, custom grind hydraulic roller, front sump oil pan. It's got the March serpentine belt, make sure the alternator charged. It's got your 427 stroker valve covers. Take you in there, show you around. Alrighty, 3,500, 492 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 512, peaks horsepower 470. With this manifold, we rate this combination of 480, so the front end's about 15 or 20, so it runs good. Get her off there in a crate, come your way, have a great day.